Hello, everyone. My name is Uche Eke, and today we'll be learning how to clone an existing repository from GitHub to your local machine. This is a tutorial video made with the assumption that you have already created a GitHub account. GitHub is for those who are software engineers, software developers, or for anyone who is interested in code sharing. It is very similar to Google Docs, where your work gets hosted onto the cloud, which allows for group collaboration. Now, to use GitHub, you do need to be familiar with navigation and manipulating data from the command line first. If you're not familiar with the command line or do not have the command line tools such as Terminal for MacBook users or Microsoft Bash, which is this, for Windows users installed, then you should come back another time when you have installed the appropriate programming tool. Since I've already made a GitHub account, I am now about to navigate to my existing repository tutorial. So over here, you'll see this green button. Once you click it, you will see this clipboard. Now let's click this, and this copies it to our clipboard. So now we can take this link and open up our command line and type the following command: git clone, and paste this link. So git clone is the command used in order to clone an existing repository from GitHub to your local machine. Once you press enter, you'll see it says cloning into tutorial. Now, all we have to do now is to navigate to the folder where we cloned our repository, desktop. So let's go to my desktop, and we see it right here. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this helped. If you're looking for a further explanation, please do not hesitate to reach out, or you can go to the GitHub's help page via the link in my description. Happy hacking.